Hello. It has been a long time since I've been on the channel. So long, in fact, that I've moved and gotten more Furbies. Well, not really more, but these two, the ones I'm about to unbox. Well, this one and that one over there. Oh, that's in the next video, though. I've got batteries for this because I'm going to do both of them. I've got 8 of them. So, yeah, I guess let's just fucking get into it, I guess. This is a 2012 raincloud. I remember this one. I had this one years and years ago. But yeah, if you want to see it, there's the front, the Furby fucking thing. See, it's raincloud. You got the side. I'm having to, like, flip it over on its side because, the lighting isn't great in here. So, yeah, there's the other side. You'll remember this, the classic box. There's the back. And for anyone who wants to see the corners, because they're weird like that. There's the bottom, I guess. Anyway, enough fucking chit chat. Let's fucking get into this shit. Also, fair warning, if you're a child, please click away, or, I mean, if you don't want to, don't go saying shit that I say, okay? And don't influence anything I say on this video, the videos from here on out. My channel ain't for kids anymore. And yes, you guys might remember, I struggle with tape. And yes, I know it looks like tape was just slapped right back onto this shit. But it really, I don't think it was, because tape just gets beat up over the years. I don't know, we'll see when we open it. We'll see if I got scammed. That hasn't happened, surprisingly, yet. Considering the fact I've bought several of these from eBay. Oh, yay. Should I have done this on the floor? Nah, we'll fine. We'll be fine. I'm not going to peel it all the way off because then I won't be able to find it again. And I don't want it just tape stranded in my bed. But yeah, I'm home alone right now, so fuck yeah. I can swear for real. No, seriously though, like, fucking mom wouldn't want me swearing on my channel, even though it's my channel. I can do what the fuck I want. Reason I'm home alone's mom's at work. Siblings at school. They just started school, like, not even a week ago. Like, literally the other day. You know, it's no wonder YouTubers would, like, when doing unboxings, they would, like, take the tape off before the video starts. But I want y'all to have the full experience. But since this is, like, me y'all are watching, the full experience is pretty fucking annoying. Oh well. I'll peel the fucking tape, the rest of the tape off when, well, not all the tape, literally, like the top ones, obviously you don't need to remove those. I don't know why those are even there. Or I think it'd say you can't open the top of the box, even though, why not, honestly? There we go. Alright, now the other side. This is not easy to do one-handed, y'all. I'm surprised with the 2012s they didn't tape the top too like they did with the booms. Like, as you guys remember, I opened 2 booms on this channel. The festive sweater one, the lightning bolts. Well, I have a better idea. Here, that's better. I do with this hand. Trying to make sure y'all could still see it. There we go. All right. Let's fucking... There we go. Raincloud. Oh, God, that's creepy as fuck. Hold on, I'm gonna put this over. I'm gonna tip this over on its side. Look at that. Its eyes are fucking voids. I forgot that the booms were the ones that had their eyes closed when you opened the box. Its eyes are fucking just there. Oh, that's creepy as fuck. I forgot about that. Anyway. Oh, yeah. Fucking tray there. But I'm not interested in the tray. I'm gonna keep the tray, honestly. I keep all the boxes and stuff for the Furbies. But yeah, we got raincloud. The tuft, or whatever people call it, a mohawk for some reason, even though it's not. Anyway, let's just pull this motherfucker out. This is gonna be hard to do one-handed, but we'll give it a shot. No, I think I have to pull the tray out for it. To pull this out. You know what? I really need to put this on like a stand. Hold on a second. I'm gonna set the down for a tad, just so I can pull this fucker out. How funny would it be if I kept that, like the fucking thing, the prison it's stuck in? They really stuck this motherfucker in here. You guys might be wondering, why is this man cussing so much? Because fuck you. No, I'm kidding, but seriously, like, it's my channel, bro. It's my channel, I do what I want. Let's stick the tray back in without pulling the instructions out. That tray in the original one isn't that great, is it, compared to the boom? Alright. So here we go. We got it. Raincloud. It's still stuck on its cardboard dome. But yeah, we got it. It's all here. There's the fucking tail and shit. Alright. Let's get the rest of this out. Oh yeah, I forgot, it's taped to the bottom. I think it tells you how long it's been since I've done one of these. That I don't remember how to open the box. We'll figure it out. Oh yes, here we go. It's just taped. I'm gonna stick the tape right there. There we go. I know y'all could barely see what I'm doing right now, but I'm not at the old setup anymore. Uh-oh. Here we go. Alright. Let's flip this fucker over. And I got my trusty old Furdo. Can I call it that? I mean, hey, the Furby loves when you stick it in its ass, so... what better to call it than a Furdo? I might need to set this down for the screw. You know what, hold on. Like I did in the old videos, I'm gonna fucking, pause it while I take the screw off. Hold on. Y'all, I've made, like, no progress on the fucking screws because they screwed this thing farther in than when I screwed your mother last night. Can I even make that joke? I don't think I can. Oh well. I just did, so it's too late. I ain't going back on that one. I wonder if you could just pry this off. No, I'm not gonna do that. I could probably get it. It's just gonna take a while. I don't remember the booms being screwed in this hard. Or in fact, the last 2012 I did opened. You know what? What's even stopping me from pulling this off? Oh, that's not gonna... I can't do that. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, so I got the screws off now, finally. It took a while, but I got it. And I was gonna wait to pull the thing off when I actually unpaused it, but it just kind of fell off. So, oh well. We're just gonna pop some batteries in here. Well, you love to see good old clean Furby compartments. Usually if you buy these secondhand, they're like corroded to shit. And I actually figured out the right way to unscrew these. I was doing it wrong. That's my fault. And once these, like, batteries are popped in here, I'm gonna flip her up so that way it can... y'all could see it. You can all see the little bastard come to life. Fuck. Hold on. Would it be easier to do it like this? Yeah. There we go. Alright, now the fun part. Time to stick its asshole back on. Yes. I'm gonna let y'all do this. Oh god. Just started and it's already enjoying this a bit too much. I haven't started yet. Hold on. Where's your fucking lid? Where'd I put your fucking lid? Oh, I'm a dumbass. I need to screw. Where'd I put your lid as it's on it? Oh wait, I need to turn it over so that way I can actually screw on right. I'm a dummy. Okay. Alright, 9. Okay, at least it's not enjoying this a bit too much. I don't remember what that means. Please do not change into a valley girl. That's the one personality I don't want you in. I should probably stop talking to it if I want it to not change. Alright. Alright. There you have it. I still have 4 more batteries here because I'm going to do the Furby boom here in a few minutes. But yeah, let's make sure everything works here. Yeah, that works. Let's make sure. Yep. Okay. Yep. That one works. Yep. Okay, all of that works. Good. Alright, well there you have it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Probably the Furby Boom unboxing. I don't know when I'll be back to YouTube. Like, actually recording a lot again, but I'll do what I can. But yeah, thanks for watching. See ya. Hey, bastard. Say bye. Say something to your viewers. Say something, you little fucking bastard. Okay. See ya.